Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world you know there. I don't know how much I wanna read me post the other day, you know, when me post with me enamel mug man. Yes, man, me know say someone wanna read it. But as me there today, you know, me member chocolate. How much I wanna member chocolate? Yes, man. A long time me have them one year, so they kinda look out of shape. But anyway, I know we get the pint. Who remember chocolate when no granny and no mother even uno used to boil and drink out of uno enamel mug? Hallelujah, what a thing sweet so. But you know, the memories I have is with me granny, me Selva, when I used to follow her go bush and she would have pick it chocolate and when she come back and broke them the chocolate there and then she would have scrape out the chocolate, put them inside man and then she would have spread them out pan the barbecue for dry and when they dry she would have patch it and chum it in a mortar and then she would have take you out and farm her like a chocolate them. But make I tell you something, me remember when my granny a boil chocolate tea, you know, she had the cinnamon leaf, little nutmeg. Yes, man, she used to grate a little nutmeg, grate a little nutmeg in a pot, man. Me know, I know this is a nice grater though. And this is one year me have a whole time grater she used to use and me no have none right here now. But who no get the pint and she would have grate a little nutmeg, put little cinnamon in the drop little vanilla, man. And then when she starts sweeten it with the condensed milk and you drink that, you know, hey, but woe be and if that the tea they burn you up on your tongue, you know, because for your tongue we scotch for days. But make I tell you something, them they are sweet piece of memory, you know. Drop a line below, man, and make me hear for no memory of drinking chocolate tea from enamel mug. Hallelujah. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, any which part of the world on a day.